Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see, I have another little install to do on Letisha's Evo 10 MR. So she has picked up a set of these Vera style carbon fibre side vents. I have these on my car obviously, but I put them on my car way before I started my channel. So I thought, yeah, make a little video putting these on her car today. It's nothing crazy to install, it's just basically held on by double-sided tape. So they obviously, grab one, they go over here on the side of the car, replacing these factory vents. And yeah, Letisha wants to get them, she wants to add a little bit more carbon to sort of flow together, so we have the hood scoop there. She's probably going to get these in carbon. She has the carbon mirrors and also the carbon window pillars there. So these will replace this piece. I've got the wrong side, but yeah, basically going to sit there. So what I'll do is I'll show you how you get these ones off. Now these OEM ones have been on and off her car a few times. I actually pulled them off just recently to paint them gloss black. When I took the OEM ones off my car, they were a lot harder to remove because they actually have little clips, which I'll show you shortly. They also have double-sided tape. So to get them off is going to be very easy for me on this because they've got no tape left, it's just basically clips on. But yeah, they are a little bit harder the first time. You may need to use a bit of fishing line like you're removing a badge and kind of get in here and sort of cut the tape out with the fishing line basically. And another thing I've seen suggested, which is what when I bought mine I got told to do, was to remove my guard lining here so you could reach in and get to them. I didn't need to do that, so I don't think you will either. But yeah, these ones are going to be coming off easy, but I'll show you at least where the clips are when I pull them off and where the tape is. And then these ones are just going to be double-sided taped on. I've had mine held on by double-sided tape for the last, I don't know, 3 years, and they're still on there nice and not going anywhere. So anyway, I'm going to pull these ones off, so I'll show you how that's done. Okay, so I'm going to try and get this off with one hand. Yeah, so there's one clip, you can see right there. Another clip in the middle. Work my way down. Another one. Not really getting the best angle to show you guys, so I was holding the camera while doing that, but there it is off. So as you can see, we have a clip here, another one, another one, another one. So two for each section. So yeah. Also you can see the remnants of what was double-sided tape here, so it goes all the way around and makes it a bit harder. But like I said, if you just get some fishing line or soften the tape by using a sort of like a bug and tire remover, usually like a tire remover is the best to get the glue nice and soft, and then yeah, get the clips out. But like I said, that was a lot easier. I could just get that out with one hand. The clips hold them in fine, so they weren't going anywhere. But that is one off. So let's just grab this guy here and just sort of see how it sits. Sorry. So you can kind of see that the the guard or fender, whatever you like to call it, actually has sort of rivets, or it's like molded to this shape, so it does make it easier to line these up. And I will just add that I did ceramic coat these last night. I put 2 layers, so it's been about 18 hours. Probably should let them cure a little bit longer, but they should be okay. Always recommend ceramic coating any carbon fibre pieces you buy, as it just, these aren't going to get as much sun as say the scoop, but yeah, the sun will just eat away your clear coat over time and turn your carbon fibre either yellowing or just make it completely, the clear coat die pretty much. So yeah, I have made a video previously on how to ceramic coat your carbon fibre. If you want to check that, I'll put a link to that in the description. But yeah, very easy to do, especially a small piece like this, and well worth doing. If you spend a few $100s on something like this, why not spend an extra $60 or so on a little bit of ceramic coating that you can just use every time you get a new bit of carbon. Or the one that I usually use is one that you use on your wheels as well, so it's like $50 or $60 Australian to buy. Everything else you'll probably have, but yeah. With that said, here's the comparison between the two. So yeah, quite a bit wider, a little bit heavier, pretty much the same weight, but a little bit wider, and yeah, obviously totally different look. So like I said, these are going to be held on with double-sided tape. So this is the tape that I use mostly for everything. It's Gorilla tape, so this is outdoor rated, and yeah, I've been using this for a while now. It's really strong, but it's pretty thick, so it's only going to fit in these sort of bottom areas. Whereas it also came with this, what it says is 3M tape, and usually when you buy carbon fibre stuff and it comes with tape, it's not 3M tape. I don't know if this is or not, but I'm going to put this on all these sort of thin edges. But yeah, with that said, I'm going to start up, get the tape on, and then we're going to clean the area where we pulled the vent off, obviously pull the other vent off, and then we will try and stick these on. Okay guys, so small update. I have taped them up. So yeah, use both the tapes. What I've done is come over this side, because this is what I'm going to do first. I have put down some tape on these kind of areas that I can use to line it up once I go to stick it on. Because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be removing this side. I stupidly put little pieces of tape everywhere rather than long strips. Don't know why, but either way, what I want to do is I just want to remove all the backing paper on these tapes, quickly run over it with the heat gun so it's warm and sticky, and then I just want to come straight over and push it on to where it goes, which I worked out I wanted around there. So I've sort of got tape in the kind of areas where I know, you know, that corner needs to be here, these sides need to be here, and the bottom there. So then the tape will be warm, basically get one shot at it, but it's kind of, like you can see the little ridges in there, it's kind of has to go in that certain spot. So, which is about there. So if I just come over and just sort of press that side down first, I should then be able to just push the sides. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. I'm going to get all this backing, the second side of the double-sided tape off, quickly warm it with the heat gun and see how I go. Also, I did just quickly clean this area. Just gave it a quick wipe down with some degreaser and then with some CarPro eraser, which is the alcohol prep spray. Hopefully that means the paint is nice and bare, and yeah, this will just stick and stay. Don't know about what this potentially fake 3M tape is going to be, but I know this Gorilla stuff that I've been using, it doesn't go anywhere. So yeah, I'm going to stick this one on and see how we go. Alright guys, so there is one on. This one I did first for a reason, because it actually fit pretty well. The other one, unfortunately, is not going to be as easy, because it's kind of like got a bend to it. Like this one just sat there. I could just put painter's tape on to hold it in place and it would stay there. The other one, kind of, if you push it in this side, this end is like sticking out down here, so it's obviously not curved right. Hopefully I can get it and have it stay on, but it's going to be a lot more pressure on the glue, But yeah, I basically pulled the backing tape off the double-sided tape, on the backing side, whatever you call it, and then quickly just heated it up with a heat gun, and then came straight on. Like you saw, I had the bits of tape there. So yeah, this one went on pretty easy, pretty happy with the location, and I held it down firmly for like 60 seconds to make sure the tape really set while it was warm, and hopefully it stays in place. I mean, yeah, like I said, I've never had a problem with the ones on my car. Pretty sure it's the same tape. I did put them on 3 years ago, but I'm pretty sure it's the same tape that I keep buying, that I bought back then. But yeah, being lucky. Yeah, look really good. Sort of matches the rest of the carbon. So yeah, happy with that. Now I just have the issue of trying to get this other one on. But hopefully we have luck, and then hopefully, yeah, Letisha likes them, as she's just gone and ordered them. And yeah, I tried to kind of talk her into some other options, but this is what she wanted, so it is her car. So yeah, I'm gonna get the other one on, and then I'll, well, hopefully I'll get it on, and then I'll reverse the car out, and we'll have a good look at them outside. Alright guys, so we're all finished. Yeah, look really good. Got both sides on. It started raining as soon as I reversed the car out to get a good shot of it. So it was covered in dust anyway, so I'm just going to let it sit out there for a minute, and then I'll bring it back in and dry it, because yeah, it hasn't been driven. It's just been a bit dusty is all. So but yeah, they look really good. I'll put an overlay now of me walking around the car. I think it really flows. And yeah, a few little carbon pieces really now matching together, as you can see. So yeah, looks really good, I think. I'm pretty happy with it. Kind of makes me want to just get new ones for my car, because the main reason I don't like mine, which is over there, is that the carbon on it's sort of on its way out. I did buy them used a few years ago. They're not terrible unless you get up close, but yeah, kind of was almost over carbon fibre on my car for a bit, but unsure if what direction I want to go. But before I wrap today's video up, thought I should do something different, and what I want to do is just give a shout out to some other Evo 10 channels that I really like, especially if they're smaller than mine, and I think they shouldn't be. I think they're just as good as mine or better. So start off today, I'll give a shout out to Loke's Autovlog. Really nice Evo 10 final edition in the US, which he's wrapped. He's got a wide body going on, and yeah, it's a really nice looking car. He does install videos and everything, some vlogs and stuff. So yeah, hopefully I put up a little overlay on the screen of his channel. But yeah, it's really good. I definitely like watching it. And yeah, definitely you guys should head over and support him. Make sure you put a comment in his videos saying that I sent you across. I'm sure he'll appreciate that. But yeah, definitely give him a few likes and subscribe to his channel, because yeah, I know if you guys enjoy my videos, you'll definitely enjoy his. Yeah, it's something I thought I should try and do. So yeah, that's the first channel I'll give a little shout out to. Not that I think it'll make a big difference, but yeah, maybe if some of you guys head over there and haven't seen his channel before, then I'm sure he'd be greatly appreciative of that. But yeah, with that said, that's going to be the end of today's video. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know it's nothing crazy, just sticking on some carbon fibre with double-sided tape. But as I said, I like to document everything I do to the cars, especially this car. As my car, obviously, I started the channel, I'd already spent years modifying it. But this car we picked up, and almost everything we've done we filmed, and I regret not filming a few things, just because I do want to make like a montage eventually of this car, all the parts getting put onto it, and then a cinematic at the end showing where we've got it to. So yeah, definitely trying to film everything. But yeah, so that is going to be today's video. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. Definitely give it a thumbs up down below if you did. And yeah, put any comments you have. I'll definitely answer those when I can. And yeah, make sure you do subscribe to my channel also if you want to see more on this Evo 10 and my black one over there parked up in the corner. But yeah, until next time, I'll catch you guys later.